Freeze-dryer structure, shelves. The chamber contains a hydraulically controlled series of product shelves called a shelf stack. The product is placed on these shelves. The shelves have internal tracks through which a heat transfer fluid flows to either heat or chill the product. Each shelf has an upper and lower surface separated by strips or dividing baffles. The shelves can be fully collapsed for both CIP and stoppering of product containers. We'll look at this in more detail in the description of the freeze-drying process. Freeze-dryer structure, refrigeration system. Refrigeration is the process of absorbing heat from one area and relocating it to another. The refrigeration system in a freeze-dryer is used for cooling the condenser coils and cooling of the shelves. The refrigeration system contains a refrigerant, which is a substance used to transfer heat. A liquid refrigerant will absorb heat when it evaporates, and it is this change in state which produces cooling in a refrigeration process. The main components of a refrigeration system are an evaporator, a metering device, a compressor, and a condenser. The refrigeration system is a closed system, which means the refrigerant can be used over and over again.